Hi, I'm Varun Krishna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI Toolkit for Visual Studio Code with SambaNova large language models. You go to the extensions page and then search for AI Toolkit. Then you can install the plugin. And once that's installed, you will see this icon here on the left that you can click on, and you'll see a bunch of options here on the left. So what we're going to do is go straight and click on this plus, add a model for remote inference. And under that, you have two options, add an OLAMA model and add a custom model. So we're going to choose add a custom model. Right, so here it is asking for an OpenAI compatible chat completion endpoint. And in the playground, let's choose the model that we want to use with the plugin. And I'm going to choose the Llama 3.3 Swallow 70B model. Then click on View Code, and in here you will see the URL that you'll need to copy verbatim into Visual Studio Code. Once you've entered that, hit Enter. Go back to the SambaNova Cloud dashboard and copy the model name. Let's hit Enter again. Let's just use the same name as the display name. Then for the HTTP header, we're going to go back to SambaNova Cloud, and we're going to need to copy this sentence here without the quotes. And remember to replace this section with your API key, which you can get from the API keys page here. If you don't have one, you can create an API key. Once you've copied that in, hit Enter again, and your model should be added successfully. Now let's click on the model playground button. If you give it a minute, you'll see this drop down appear here, and your model should be available as an option. We should be able to edit some of these inference parameters, and let's provide a system prompt. You are a coding assistant. Let's try one of these default commands in here. Alright, as you can see, it is connected to the SambaNova model, and it has used Llama 3.3 Swallow 70B instruct to answer that question and provide the code that we've asked for along with an explanation. Now that you've added this custom model, you should be able to use that model for all of your tasks.